My name is Michael Mastro. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Vastu Creations. Vastu is the architectural sister science to Ayurveda and Vedic astrology, Jyotish. I have over 40 years experience doing transformational Vedic astrology, which is a specific type of Vedic astrology, as well as Vastu. And this astrology, you'll see, is extremely accurate. By getting an astrology reading and knowing your chart, you can really see your talents and know when opportunities will arise, as well as when to avert obstacles in your life. You will learn practical astrological remedies to move more successfully through life in terms of your health, your finances, your career, and your relationships. You can get a reading um, or learn Transformational Vedic Astrology or Vastu at vastucreations.com. Thank you so much.